experience in this thing?
Well, masaya at nakakapagod din. At syempre, dahil sa pagod niyan, nakaka-inspire magsulat ngayon ng mga bago. Kaya,
You get that ticket cost. And then you can sell it. Pasa mo sa...
Alright. Hoy, ingat! Ingat kayo, G. At sinako. Konektado all day, every day.
FT Gar!
FTR the greatest.
FT Gar!
Pasang bag. FTR the king.
Hey, hold on, sorry. Maybe it's best if I do it.
Brother,
I'll see you when you get back.
alright, see you.
Enjoy the rest. You staying?
Pero bigatin pa rin ang dating.
Better be got the body right there. We gotta shoot the video soon, probably, right?
It's anything. It's on win. No risk.
What are the highlights for you with this whole historic event that you organized?
Amazing talaga. Amazing na dala ko at naipakita ko sa Middle East ang talent ng Pinoy rappers.
Paano niyo po siya na-discover, natulungan at dalhin at kumbaga sinugal niyo yung hindi pa niyo alam kung anong mangyayari tapos ganun ang nangyayari?
It was the idea of my son and my husband. They were the one who gave me the idea of the sunugan, and of course, ako rin nag-dig deeper ako na I educate myself what is sunugan, what is flip top, nanood ako ng YouTube at lahat.
What should people expect from Royal Crystal events? What's coming up for what's in the books for you?
Royal Crystal events, definitely we have future plans sa group, the same group na kinuha namin, and of course to bring more Filipino talents in Middle East. Konektado now has a special place in our heart. Konektado is a group that express their feelings with the environment, with the people. It's free expression.
Bye-bye, baby. High five. Bye-bye. Yalla, guys. Thank you very much. Next time. Dubai. Goodbye, Dubai.
Telo.
Love.
Bye.
See you in the Philippines, okay? What you will say? Bye, rappers.
Thank you,
Go.
Video?
Salamat. Crystal event.
Bye. Oh, yun sweet kid.
Next week.
Kuya Ron, here. Love.
Yo.
Thank you, Dene.
Oh, what is it? Oh, thank you, Royal Crystal Events, for taking us, making this big giant history for the world to see. And you know you're gonna get more out of us, out of Royal Crystal Events. More power. God bless. No.